When working in Excel, there may be worksheets that you have in a file that you want to keep in the file, but you don't want them to be obvious or easily accessible by other people using the Excel spreadsheet. So what we're going to do here is we're going to hide a worksheet tab. Now, hiding a worksheet tab is much less obvious than hiding a row or a column. If you hide a row or a column, logic tells you when you look at the sequence of column headings and there's a letter missing in the alphabet, it's fairly obvious that there's something hidden. The same with the numbers. If they jump or miss a sequence, it's fairly obvious there's a row hidden. With Excel, when you hide a worksheet, unless you go looking for it, you don't necessarily know. So let's say I want to hide this worksheet. If I come down to the worksheet tab, right click on the tab and choose hide. The worksheet tab is now hidden. Now, if I wanted to reactivate that, I could go back down here and I right click on a worksheet tab and choose unhide. It would show me all the hidden worksheets in this file. So it's really handy to enable you to close something off if perhaps there's a formula in one of your worksheets that references it, but you don't want other people to necessarily see that it's there. Although it can be found if someone goes looking, but reality is most general users of Excel worksheets won't go looking to see if there's hidden worksheets unless they're trying to track a formula, whereas a hidden column or row number or letter is very obvious. So that's hiding and unhiding worksheets.